Hi there, this is Venus from Resort Chef International. Here's a little trick for you. If you're finding that the meal prep container lids are not fitting properly, place the lid into the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the microwave. The idea is that you want the lids to soften up. You want them to be warm to touch, not hot. Next, you would place the lid back onto the meal prep container. Make sure to press down on all corners as well as the sides. You should hear a click into place, which will tell you that the meal prep container has locked to, the lid has locked to the meal prep container. You hold a little bit of pressure down on it for a few seconds until the lid cools. The lid should cool pretty quick. And then you are ready to use your meal prep container again. Thank you. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me at customerservice@resortchef.net. Thank you.